G'day YouTubers, Michael VK3HAU here today, and today I'm going to talk about the Uniden UBCD396T digital scanner and how you go about picking up the CFA channel, the VicFire CFA channel. You don't have to actually own a approved CFA scanner to be able to pick up the CFA channel, as long as the scanner is P25 capable. With the fireground channels, it's a different situation. I believe that you still have trouble with receiving or decoding the encryption from the fireground channels because they use a different type of codec. I haven't tested it myself, so I'm not 100% certain if that's true or not, but my main interest was only the VicFire RMR channel. The approved CFA scanner that's out there on the market is the UBCD396-PT. That is a handheld version. It is also a mobile version on the market, and I'm not too sure what the number is. I haven't got that information at hand. Before I do go on and explain to you how to program the UBCD396T digital scanner to the CFA's VicFire channel, I just wanted to mention that our thoughts go out to all the guys and girls in New South Wales and Queensland who are currently suffering from quite catastrophic fire conditions. There's 150 odd homes that have been lost and free lives to count at the moment to date, and possibly that number could change. There is a high fire danger day coming up on Tuesday, which is only 2 days away, and some of the local CFA guys here are being deployed to help out the guys in New South Wales. Hayfield, Stratford and Sale, with supporting FCV crew from Banster or D11, I believe. I'm not sure what the units are that's been deployed from D11. So our thoughts go out to all those girls and guys that are currently in New South Wales and Queensland suffering from those fire conditions. So to program the scanner to receive the CFA RMR channel, first of all we need to find the digital data channel. So we go into menu, press the menu button, we scroll down with the volume knob here till we get to search for, enter the yes button, and we want to go custom search, but we want to edit the search first. So we go edit custom, go OK, and edit custom one, okay. We don't need to worry about the name. Search limit, so we enter our search limit and we'll make it for picking up the data channel. We'll make 160.0, enter, and the upper limit will make 161. Sorry, what am I doing? Go back. 170.0.000. Okay, so we've now got 160 to 170 in our search. We want to go back. We're hitting the menu button here, and Yeah, go back. I've just haven't gone back enough time, sorry, I'm distracted. Alright, so we go back twice and we get to custom search, we hit enter, and it now will search from 160 to 170. And we're looking for a DAT symbol. This is stopped, so we just hit the top volume control, turn volume control knob, continue, until we find something that comes up that says DAT. That's a link. Here we go, it's got a DAT here. So we write that down. DAT is 166.575, and we notice we've got 3 signal bars. So I'm just going to write that on here, 3 bars. And we'll search again. Just keep going. Keep going. We've got another DAT channel, but it's not very weak, so it's cutting in and out, So we've got 166.650, 1 bar. Keep going. That's a link channel. Keep going, link channel. Keep going. It's a link channel. Okay, we've got another one at 168.0750, and we've got 2 bars. Keep going. There's another one there. It's not really worth mentioning, it's only 1 bar. Here's another one here, but this one's got full signal. So 168.1750, we'll put full bar. Keep going. And that's all we've got. So, looking at this one here, the frequency we want for our area that we're in is 168.175. So we go back to menu, and we go to system program, so we hit the yes, and we want a new system, so we scroll down to new system, hit yes, and we want MOT, yes, P25, yes, confirm, yes, and we want to set the frequency, and we want to enter the new frequency as 168.175. Alright, 0, and hit enter. And if we want to give this, we go back, menu, and we can give this channel a name. Let's enter a name as CFA. So we select our letters by the dial at the top. So we hit CFA. Oops. Try again. We've got to hit the 6 or 4 to change the character across. CFA. And because I know this frequency is pretty strong with the signal we had before, I'll have a good guess at that data channel. Do it again. that data channel, I'm pretty confident that is the Longford RMR site. So I'll just put Longford in here. Alright, so I've just entered the word Longford there. I'm pretty confident that's a full signal, so it would be coming from that RMR site. So we just hit yes. And last thing we can do is we can edit the system's options and a quick key. So quick keys are entering this scan or frequency search into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these are quick keys. So we hit a quick key. So you could have multiple sites set up, and you could have, say, Longford on 1 and Mount Tassie on 2 and Mount Useful on 3. And wherever you go, if you're travelling, you just select which one you're going to be at or the closest to. So quick key, we'll hit yes, and we'll set this one for 1. So we dial down to 1, hit OK or yes, and now 1 has got that in the system. So that's pretty well much all we need to do. So just go back out, and oops, if we scan and hit 1, I'll turn that on. So CFA Longford's coming up on there. I've already got another channel on 1 as they're already programmed in, so it's searching it as well. So I'll need to go in and delete that. So we can do that by going into the system, edit, and we'll delete that out of there, because if you have a look at it's set for quick key 1 as well. Actually, I can just move it from a different key, which I'll do that. So we'll change it to quick key 3. Enter. Okay, so if we go back out, CFA Longford's on the top, A and B, they're different channels that I've been playing with. Yeah. So now 1 and 3 is still in there. Hit 3, it puts an asterisk there, so it's now only scanning 1. So if you want to scan the other channels, you can go 1, 2, 3, and you'll see 1, 2, 3 come up on the display, and turn them off, hit 2, turn them off, hit 3, and we've got asterisks there. So it's only just listening to channel 1, and as you can see, it's receiving the data, full signal. So that's pretty well basically all you need to do to pick up the CFA Vic Fire channel. And if I hear any activity, I'll record that to show you. Another question's been asked too, I've noticed on one of the forums of these radios, is how do you turn the volume up and down? Pretty simple. This is a volume and selector button here, but it doesn't do anything when you turn it. You actually physically got to press down on here, and it comes up with volume. Currently volume level is 2, so we turn that up, and as you can see, it increases the volume level, and the maximum is 15. So I'll turn that back down a bit. I'll leave it at 11. And you press it and it escapes out of there. So I hope that helps. And if you like this video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
The call was hard to understand. Said that there were managers, that they were the manager of the store. No further details at this stage. Copy further. VicFire, more pumper, more aerial pumper. Here to report a building fire. McDonald's, Spencer Strike, more. Roger, more pumper, more aerial pumper. The call was hard to understand. Said that they were the manager of the store. Said no one's evacuating. The caller sounded male and also possibly intellectually challenged. No further details at this stage. Roger, VicFire.